Hello everyone, this is Kirti Vaishnav with you, and today I am going to tell you about this thing that how can you improve your English speaking. Most of the people say that we are struggling with the tenses. We know about the tenses, that how can we use tenses in our sentences. But when we speak anything, then we confuse that how can we use. So I want to tell you about this thing. I saw many times in my daily routine also, and with me also, that if we are speaking anything in front of any person, then we will unable, means suppose we will speak anything and we will unable to speak in this way that the sentence structures and everything should be correct. Most of the time it happens because we have not confidence that we are speaking correct or not. And I want to tell you this thing also, that most of the people are good in English, but they always say that we are struggling with the tenses. They know about the tenses, but they always say we are struggling with the tenses. Why? What is the reason? I want to tell you the reason. I want to give you the example also. Suppose you are in the class, okay, and there is any person who is speaking something, and you are also giving the answer of their questions or anything, but you are struggling with the tenses. But you are thinking, I know about the tenses very well. Then why am I struggling in these all things? So what happened when we speak anything in front of any person? Then we check again that was I said correct or not. It is our habit also. But and sometimes we think also, oh, I said wrong thing. It is very bad. Then our confidence level will not increase. And so that thing, what should we do? I want to tell you. Most of the time, and I saw most of the people talk to their self, and I also. So this is the good way to improve our English. Then if we are speaking to ourselves, then we need to use English. Suppose we are using English in front of us, means we are using English with us. So if we are saying wrong sentence also, then there is not any person beside of us. We can improve it again also. If we are wrong, then we will tell us that yes, no, we are using wrong thing. Now we need to correct it. But if we are using it in front of any person, then we will think, oh, we said wrong thing. It is wrong. Now that person was thinking another thing for us. So it is very bad thing for us. If we want to improve our English, then we need to talk to ourselves. Then we can improve English very well, because if we speak English to ourselves, then it will increase our English skill also, and it will increase our confidence also. You know, most of the time we use the sentences. Just suppose I saw with the children also, that they learned this sentence. I don't know, they learned this sentence and they know the meaning also, but they don't know that what is the correct way, means what is the meaning of I, what is the meaning of don't. They don't know, but they learned it, and they learned the Hindi meaning also of this sentence. But I want to ask you, why? How they learned? How did they learn these all things? They learned by the using this sentence. And most of the time they listen these all things, then they revise these all things, means in their daily routine, and then they learn that yes, it is the meaning of this sentence. So main idea is this, that if we will speak to us, then we can improve our English very well. Then we will think, yes, we said this sentence wrong and we need to correct it. Next time we will correct, and we can use English in front of any person very well. So apply this idea and tell me, am I wrong or right? Okay, so bye bye, take care.